Today's cocktail is a twist on the traditional Pisco sour. Pisco is a South American type of brandy that has a grape-like flavor. This cocktail uses Peruvian Pisco, and then we're making a homemade lavender simple syrup plus some lemon, and it turns into the perfect cocktail that you're gonna love. My favorite part of the cocktail is the frothy and foamy egg white top that you'll get when you do a dry shake and then a shake with ice. Don't worry, I'll teach you all about it in this recipe video. Don't forget to stick around and subscribe because I love making cocktails and I have lots more cocktail videos coming for you soon. A unique part about this cocktail is the lavender simple syrup, so we're starting out by first making this. To a medium saucepan, add 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of dried lavender flowers, along with 1 cup of water. Then transfer the saucepan over some medium heat and cook until all the sugar is dissolved. This process usually takes 2 to 4 minutes, not too long, and you're gonna have a delicious simple syrup. Once it's done, you'll want to taste the syrup. If you're happy with the amount of lavender flavor, then you can immediately strain the mixture. If you think it needs to taste a little stronger of lavender, allow the flowers to steep in the syrup for an extra 30 to 60 minutes until you've reached your desired taste. From here, place a fine mesh strainer over a bowl and pour the mixture into the strainer so you can separate the simple syrup from the lavender leaves. Then we're transferring it to a clean, reusable bottle, and obviously this is going to give you quite a bit of simple syrup. I always like to make my simple syrup in batches, and you can use it for extra cocktails or even iced coffee. Alright, moving right along, we are going to make the cocktail. Starting out, you'll need 4 ounces of Pisco. Now this brand of Pisco is from Peru, but you could also use a Chilean Pisco if that's what you would prefer. Next, take some fresh lemons and you'll need to squeeze 2 ounces. Fresh lemon juice is always better than the bottled, so trust me, you're not going to want to skip this step. Once you've added the lemon juice to the cocktail shaker, then you're going to come behind with 1 ounce of the lavender simple syrup. You can adjust this depending on how sweet you like your cocktail. And finally, we're adding 2 large egg whites. This is what's going to give us the foamy top. Now you'll notice for this first shake, I didn't add any ice. This is what we call in the bartender world a dry shake. Once you've shaken the cocktail for about 30 seconds, then you can pop in some ice for a second shake. The second shake with ice gets the drink cold and then also helps strengthen that nice foam that we'll get on top of the cocktail. The last step is grabbing a lowball cocktail glass and straining the cocktail into the glass. If you want to make sure there are no ice shards, you can definitely double strain using both a hawthorn strainer and a mesh strainer. It's completely up to you. And then we can't forget a garnish. You'll grab 1 thin lemon slice, place that on top, and you can see it floats nicely on top. And then we'll garnish with a little bit extra of the lavender flowers. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be in the description below. I can't wait for you to try this cocktail.